How are you guys? Today's great day. I just decided to show it. All day wearing socks and remove in front of you. That's means first you smell it and then I will take off. Hope you are good. And how's your day? My day is good. All day working and working. So this time for relaxing and taking off socks. Maybe I just take off. I think I just take off it. Okay guys, I'm going to wash my feet, so I just end the video.